Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Citrus HR. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in citrushr.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Citrus HR website. Now from the homepage, click on the login button at the top right corner and now you will be taken into the login portal. Now you can also sign in with your Microsoft account by clicking on sign in with Microsoft, and you also have the option to sign in with Xero. Type in your username that you have set up while creating your account within the username box and then enter your account password underneath. You can then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Citrus HR account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on forgot your password and you will be allowed to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Citrus HR. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.